It's not always about pressure washing. What are you doing, cute stuff? You're adorable. Hey, Bubba. Hi, kitty. Such a pretty kitty cat. Not sure if I've ever seen one of these before. How you doing, little buddy? Glad you got up out the way. What's up, little buddy? It's an alligator skink. Yeah, you're adorable. You're adorable. Look like a little bear. What you doing, little buddy? What you doing? Come here.
You like him?
He does.
He's one out of your hand.
I'm trying to. What's up, buddy?
Yeah, they can carry
What's up, buddy?
about 20% of their body weight, and they're about 250.
Dang.
Yeah.
Yeah, those are some guts. When you're cleaning gutters, you feel something staring at you. You look over, and this is what you got. Hi, kitty cat. Hi, kitty cat. You are a spaz.
There you go.
Yeah, I see you. I see you. What's up, little guy? It is not water that he seeks. You're adorable.